Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to create auto caption in After Effects, free auto caption script for After Effects. Then download it. I will provide this link in my description. First open your Adobe Premiere Pro and create script. Select your video voice and then select it. After then you go to text. Tap on create auto caption and select caption. After then you select second and click on single line, then transcript caption. When create caption you see this option, three dot line, tap on here, click export. After then you press export SRT file, enter, select file. When you select file, then enter your SRT file name. After then press enter save. Minimize it. Then open your download script. After then when you open it, then plugin copy. When copy it, go to your computer C drive, click file. After then Adobe After Effects, select After Effects application, then click support file. When you click support file, you see this option script. Tap on your script option, then click scripts. After then you paste your plugin. When you paste it, you will see and find this option, continue option. Tap on here. Then minimize it and open your After Effects file. When you tap file option, you will see and find second way install script. Then install script and select your plugin, then open. Thanks. Click on here. Next, refresh your After Effects and select script and find your auto caption Kuldeep MP4. Tap on here. When you tap, you will see this is option import SRT file option. Tap on here and you will select SRT file on your computer device. Then select it, press OK. You will see auto caption generate your After Effects. Thanks for watching this video.